Hey guys, it's Katie here, and I'm back with another video. For this video, I'm going to show you guys two super easy DIY treat ideas that you can use for this summer or anytime at all. These treats are super delicious. Like guys, they're so good. And they are decently healthy for you as well. A couple ingredients in them in each that aren't the best for you. These treats are pretty healthy, which I think is a bonus, I guess. Yeah, let's just get right into the DIY. The first summer snack is frozen banana pops, and let me tell you guys, they are super delicious. You will need bananas, squeezable fruit pouches that can be any flavor you would like, vanilla yogurt, some sprinkles, and popsicle sticks. You will first peel your bananas and cut them into halves. And then once that is done, you will then go ahead and insert the popsicle sticks into the bananas. You are now going to squeeze the fruit pouches into a bowl. And add a tablespoon of vanilla yogurt and mix those together. Before you get into dipping the bananas into that mixture, I would recommend taking out a tray or a plate and placing parchment paper on top of it. Now you are going to dip the banana halves into the bowl. I decided to use a spoon to help me fully coat the banana, so if you want every part of that banana coated, I would really recommend using a spoon because it is super helpful. And once that is done, you will then go and place those banana halves onto the parchment paper. Now that the bananas are fully dipped and coated, you will then go ahead and sprinkle on those sprinkles. Now you will place the bananas in the freezer for around an hour. And once that hour is up, you will take the bananas out of the freezer and enjoy. The next thing we are going to make is literally my favorite homemade smoothie, and it is the strawberry lemonade smoothie. You will need 1 cup of frozen strawberries, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/8 of a cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of vanilla yogurt. I would first start off by putting the sugar into a small bowl and adding 1/2 cup of water into it and mixing it together so the sugar can be at least partially dissolved. Now place the sugar and water mixture, the frozen strawberries, the lemon juice, and vanilla yogurt into a blender. And blend away. Pour it out into a cup and boom. There is your strawberry lemonade smoothie. thank you guys for watching that video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to go give it a big thumbs up and make sure to go subscribe to my channel. You just gotta click that button down below because that would mean a whole lot to me. Also, make sure you go follow me on all my social medias. The links will be in the description below, so make sure you go tap those follow buttons. That is it for this video, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!